Rub-a-dub-dubs. I got a package from St. Lucia. It's time for us to see what's inside. So, this is my King's Cup, if you will. This was the prize I got for getting Carnival of Creators King back in February. And bring it in here. Let's see what this thing looks like up close. This ceramic masterpiece was spun live and decorated by Amanda for me. She even went ahead and added my favorite blues into the bottom. Check that out. Amanda, this is fit for a king, and I cannot wait to enjoy something out of it. Thank you for putting your time and effort into this, and everybody else, if you haven't checked out Ceramic SLU here on Clapper, Instagram, Facebook, she has shops everywhere. She does stuff with you live, so you can actually customize it to your liking, from design to color to shape. So check out Ceramic SLU. I already own 2 pieces, 3, 4 pieces of hers now, and soon to be probably a 5th because my wife is getting a little jelly. Art to your heart from the US.
Clapper.